Good morning, YouTube family. Gotta get my mojo up. It's important. Finna meet the hubby out here on Terra Verde, and we finna knock out a boat. It's finna be a whole bunch of us on one boat, and I'm hoping we can knock it out in one day. I mean, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus my daughter, 5, plus my husband, 6. It's gonna be 6 of us on the boat. So if we can't finish the boat in one day, I don't know what to say. Either way, it's a whole lot of payroll. So we better finish that motherfucker today. I'm ready. You ready? Ready, 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 ready. Come on, let's go. What you watching a man taking a bath for? A middle-aged, half-naked one at that.
What are you talking about? It's a show. It's my show.
On my blog. What's it rated?
TV 14.
You lucky. I just gotta make sure I know what the goals is in life. But these houses is past big. They magnificent. They magnificent. Whew. Damn. Hopefully, after a lot of hard work, one day your old girl will have one of these. Hell, boy, because these is how. This is a nice neighborhood. Like, I wouldn't mind living in a nice neighborhood like this. Hell, boy. Goals, dreams, aspirations. Hell. Damn. And you see their car? A fucking Kia. They don't live beyond their means. It just be ignorant peasants that like to try to drive around in Porsches, living in an apartment, you know. Mercedes, staying in a dang trailer park. No, take care of home first. Jeez, man. I'm definitely living within my means when it comes to this car. Got a Honda, baby. And I'm proud of that Honda, too. I don't need no luxury vehicle. Folks love having luxury vehicles, ain't even living a luxury life. Dang. Shit. Alright, let me go. Good morning.
Aloha. Morning. Means hello.
Yeah.
Carefully step.
Okay.
How come
Where
you
the
didn't
other
say that
guys?
when I got here? Like, you didn't say be careful with that. Like, you just said.
Where Johnson?
Lilly. He's over the hall.
Oh. Morning.
Lily, all you're gonna do is mouth.
Okay.
Okay, so come around the back here, and this is how you'll have to get on. I know you're a little sketchy about it, but I think you'll be all right this time. I lowered it enough for you. Come on.
Think I should get on with my shoes?
Yeah, come on around this way.
All right, get the camera.
Let's see her fall. One hand, give me that hand.
I'm not getting on that.
That's the step. That's the best way to get on. And then the motors don't move. You just put your body weight on the motors. You step forward. Climbing over is fun too, I guess, if you want to do it that way.
I'll do this.
All right, put your leg.
I mean, my butt was on it. I'm safe, but that looks like unsafe until I do it.
Here.
Thank you.
Your coffee. Spill it. Put it in a cup holder, please.
Okay.
Medals are all yours.
All right.
Native waxing up front. Young Tommy's on top. Chassis in the middle here.
It is 1:30. Workday's over. Just getting home. Got me some Publix. Got me a sub. That thing's gonna be bussin'. Woo! Look it. Does that not speak to you though? Does it not speak? Hello, how you doing? Type stuff. Tear that bad boy up, boy. Woo! And my Calypso Crunch cookies. I don't know if you can really see them. Let me open up the blind. Okay. These Calypso Crunch cookies, they put guards up in here. I don't know what they put in here, but they put some type of material that causes your mouth to water and your ideas to flow, and all types of good things to happen when you bite into them. So, you know, tear them things up. Don't worry, guys. I got you. Uh-oh, it right there, friend. She's not playing them games today with you. She knows to either eat or be eating world out here. You better be quicker than that. I said what I said, my little friend. You better be quicker than that. This one, my little friend. He got the beautiful coat. That's Bertha. She always struggling. She's the definition of a hard knock life. Isn't that right, Bertha? Hard knock life. But she's still beautiful. She's still beautiful. Yeah. She just, like, having a baby that, you know, maybe at 6 months. And just, she always gonna be a little small. That's her. That's her. Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with what I said. You still gonna survive. It's gonna be on the slim side, you know. The animal kingdom is not the best thing compared to, you know, society where being slim is what's up. That's the dream, baby. Here, Papa Bear. It's right there. You can get it. Oh, that's some definition. It's your final up close up, buddy. Sorry about that. Beautiful. I never really paid attention to what it looked like up close like that. Almost like having a magnifying glass. Quite interesting. Let's see what this old dried up, like cantaloupe, ancient cantaloupe. Get that out of here. Can't nobody get no nutrients from that. Not at all. All right, buddy. What's your last dance? Baby, give me one. Oh, snap. You about to get you one more chance. You gonna get away? Huh? You gonna get there? Hell no, I'm gonna get your ass. Oh, snap. Gotcha. Gotcha. Let me back it up. Oh. Gotcha. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. You gotta be quicker than that. Cause my little friend hungry. I hear somebody talking. Oh, that's my neighbor. She couldn't hear me for a little bit, but I just stayed waving. Alright, let me get me some more. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Alright. Got him. Get your last dance in, boy. Go ahead, do your thing. Do your thing. Oh, oh, oh. You ain't get long. Now, you know you don't want that dried up piece of stuff. You know, throw that out. About to clean out this cage, because I sure enough got me some more dirt. Got me some more dirt. Oh, shit, heavy. How many pounds is that? Shit. 10 pounds. That's a workout. Grab 2 of those, do some squats. Start doing that. Time to get physical, physical. Let's get physical. Oh. Shoot, you gonna have to be quicker. That would have been real funny if Bertha got it. She's sure enough ready. Sure enough ready. Give me that. Alright, get your last dance in. Alright. Oh, she wasn't playing. Alright, I'm getting some more. I'm getting some more. Oh, you gonna come up just for a final dance? I got you there. You gotta ask twice. Mm-hmm. You gotta ask twice. Got you. Alright, alright. Well, that's why he's fat boy. He gets to the meat. Bertha hungry though, so she's steadily waiting. Alright. Where you think you going? Where you thought you was going? Alright, here you go. Bertha, you need it. Alright. I think that's good. I'm gonna put some lettuce up in her. Y'all need some lettuce. Okay, right though. Why is this sock over there? Jesus. See, I ain't say God's name, babe. I said Jesus. It's different. It's like saying she's. Who calling my name? Oh. Hi. I'm just feeding my more civilized company.
Now?
I'm just hanging out with my most civilized company. That's all. Recording, feeding them, that's all. How you get here? Sean dropped you off or you walk?
Yeah, dropped me off right on the corner right there. I walk first. That's it, because it's trying to catch that traffic.
Yeah, I bet.
All right,
All right. All right, I'll see you in the morning. Y'all finish the boat?
Yeah, we gotta wash it.
That's
we gotta
it?
Come back and wash it.
Okay. All right. Appreciate you, Tommy. You going about your business. That way. That way. That way. That. Rusty. You need more rumps on you. You're not chunky enough. I want to be able to call you fat boy. Hey, back up. No, you ain't about that life. You ain't about that life. You ain't about that life. Close your door. You gotta hold it the whole time and go down. Cause the damn cameras ain't lined up or just don't work no more. Old raggedy stuff. You know when you live in an apartment, that's what happens. Things don't work no more, they'll never fix it. The life. You. Woo! My bad, I'm sorry. I ain't mean to abuse you like that. Whoa, oh, whoa. You put your claw on me. You put your claw on me. You put your claw on me, boy. All right.